The acronym is DEAL, DEAL, and it stands for
Hello everyone, this is Andy Lonnan from Finance Training Academy and Finance Business Partner Academy. I do hope you're well this week. This week, let's have a look at taking a break. Whatever you've been through, whatever good things that have happened to you, whatever more challenging things that you've been through this year, it's time to take a break. It's time to unplug. You know how we fix a laptop or a computer when it's tired and not working so well? We switch it off so we can switch it back on again. Boom, it works usually. You have to unplug it to reboot it. And it's time to do that for yourself. It's time to switch off so that you can switch back on again, even brighter in the new year. It's time to unplug from the world, to reboot. Maybe I should say recharge your own batteries rather than reboot. And we're going to do the exact same thing here at the Finance Training Academy. The team and I are looking forward to taking a really lovely, well-earned break, seeing you all bright and sparkly in the new year. In the meantime, wishing you a very happy Christmas, having a very peaceful and safe and healthy new year, and enjoy the holidays. Take that break. Wishing you all the best. Bye for now.